Hello everyone. Today we will talk Thysanoptera, an order of insect classification and recognition, has 4 knowledge points. 1. Main identification characteristics of Thysanoptera. Thysoptera insects are commonly called thrips. This order does not talk about family, focusing on 5 species of thrips. The thrips are small to microsmall, generally 1 to 2 millimeters, and the adults are mostly black, commonly known as little black worms. The wings are fringed with long fringed hairs, unique to this order. File suction mouthparts, unique to this order, as the same stinging suction mouthparts in control, is also one of the main pests, small insects. 2. Ecology and hazards. The type of metamorphosis of thrips is the gradual metamorphosis in the incomplete metamorphosis, and when the juvenile stage changes to the adult stage, it goes through an age similar to that of pupa. Multiple generations occur in a year, with the majority being 5 to 7 generations. Having a tender nature, feeding on new shoots, new leaves, shoots, young stems, flowers, and young fruits of plants. Be afraid of strong light. Have obvious tendency to blue. The secretions produced by the hazard often induce soot disease, and some species also transmit plant virus disease. 3. Representative pests of Thysanoptera. Thrips are found in the south, in the north, and throughout the year as long as environmental conditions are suitable. Whether it is fruit trees, vegetables, or fields, almost all crops are affected by thrips. 1. Mango thrips. The first pest of mango. There are more than 10 species of thrips harm. Yellow thrips, red belt thrips the most serious. The damaged young leaves of the tender tip of the leaf back serious discoloration, late leaf edge curl wavy, even atrophy, inflorescence of the early morning damage light black dripping, directly harm the young fruit resulting in flower skin fruit. 2. Citrus thrips. In the past, the main harm caused by flower fall, now more attention to harm young fruit caused by flower skin fruit. Harm like fruit swelling will gradually obvious. Pay attention to the difference with gray mold. Gray mold epidermal spot scar messy without a specific location. Thrips are concentrated around the fruit pedicle or fruit waist, the tender end of the leaf curled. 3. Melon thrips. In the south, 17 to 18 generations occur a year. Overlapping generations, year-round reproduction, fear of light, like to hide in flowers. There are yellow spots on the leaves. Serious heart leaves cannot unfold, and the young melon appears deformed after the damage, such as thin waist big head, rusty fruit. 4. Scallion thrips. The affected leaves produce gray streaks, serious leaf distortion. Pay attention to the difference from other diseases and pests. 5. Corn thrips. The heart lobe is one of the causes of distortion and has intermittent silvery streaks. 6. Ficus thrips. Mainly parasitic in the small leaf fig. Harm caused by dumpling leaf-shaped gall. 4. Control measures of thrips. 1. Agricultural prevention and control. In early spring, remove weeds and dead branches and leaves in the field. Burn them centrally or bury them deeply, and eliminate overwintering adults and nymphs. Strengthen the management of fertilizer and water. Promote the growth of plants and reduce the harm. 2. Physical prevention. Taking advantage of the blue tendency of thrips, blue sticky boards are set up in the fields to trap and kill adults, and the height of the sticky boards is the same as that of the crops. 3. Chemical control formula. 1. Recommended medicine. Imidacloprid, acetamidine, thiamethoxam, furosemide, ethidocidin, abamectin, bifenthrin, metretinate, etc. 2. The combination of 2 pesticides can also be used in the high incidence period, contact plus internal absorption, in addition to increasing the number of doses. 3. Apply the medicine before the flowers are not closed in the morning, and adhere to the way of can touch and not poison the stomach when applying the medicine. So much for Thysanoptera, the classification and recognition of insects. Goodbye.